Morning guys and girls, how are we doing? So I'm not sure what the sound quality is going to be like. We are trying the microphone for the first time today properly, as you can see. We are inside the truck, so it may be good inside the truck and pretty crap outside. I'm not totally sure, as I say. We're going to try it out and see how we get on for the next day or so. Right, brand new episode. We've got something a little bit different today, guys. We are going empty over to Belgium with a trailer. We're going to drop that trailer in Leuven. Once dropped, we're heading solo back down to, we're going to pick a trailer up from Belgium, we're going to take it to another place up near Brussels, we're going to load Wednesday morning, and then we're going to bring that back to the UK. So something a bit different, not done this before with the cameras, so yeah, something a bit different to see. How are you enjoying the episodes so far? Currently not this one because it's just started, but the previous. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go over and check now. Just look for the sign above my head somewhere saying watch this video. It's good. And then what you should do after that is, when you finish that, watch the next suggested video, because they're all linked. How about that? Anyway, right, I'm just going to go and get my paperwork from the office now they've arrived. I've done my vehicle checks. We are ready to roll and rock. So yeah, I will see you very, very soon, guys, where we will be heading on down to catch the train this morning. Fingers crossed that it's not too busy. All right, I'll see you soon, chaps. Bye bye. Right guys, we are now all done, hooked up to the trailer. I was going to show it, but not really much to show this morning. So what we're doing is we're going to head to Belgium today in a minute, on our way now actually. And when we get to Belgium, we're gonna drop this trailer, and once we've dropped this trailer, we're gonna drive solo to another company we go to, and we're gonna collect the trailer and run with that and get it loaded tomorrow morning. Not sure where I'm gonna stay this evening, and I've got one or two places in mind. I can actually stay on site so that I get a bit of a lay-in in the morning, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Just bear me 1 minute. Hey Siri, start a 14-hour 20-minute timer.
14 hours and 20 minutes starting now.
Sorry guys, that's after my vehicle checks and all that with this lorry and going into the office. I always do a timer of a 15-hour on a daily basis so I can work out my exact time. The truck does tell me as well, don't get me wrong, but I just like to do it my own way as well. Alright gang, how are we? So today's episode is something a little bit different. We are just going to show you the steps it takes to get on the Eurotunnel from Folkestone into Calais. So stick around guys, we are going to go through each step. I will explain each step as we go through it. For those of you that are new to it and never seen it, I'm sure it'll be an experience. For those of you that do this, we all do things differently, and you might think, I might try that, or why has he done it like that sort of thing. So stay tuned, have a look, tell me what you think, and leave all your comments in the comment section below. Alright guys, let's go and do it. Right gang, so here we are now just coming up to our junction for the Channel Tunnel, and I'm going to show you the steps it takes to get from England over into France via the train. See, I never understand why it takes so long to get your ticket, because when I go there it's so quick. It is so quick. Okay guys, so it's my turn. Let's see how long it takes. So our first step is we need to come here, we need to program, we need to say what country we're from, what we're carrying, you know, usual stuff. Just have a look, I'll show you. So first and foremost, we're from England, we've not got any paperwork, we are empty, we have a GMR, we're not carrying a refrigerated vehicles, only one of us. Validate, approve, should get your ticket. and then boom, we should go. How easy is that? Here we go, step 2. Bonjour, how are we doing, sir? Living that dream, are we? Ah, living the dream, mate. Chasing that rainbow. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Have some tan in the sunshine while you wait.
It'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, it'd be lovely. Get some sunshine. Right, that's step 2 done. So step 3 now is like the scanners. Maybe not scanners. They're oh, you bugger! You're in that one. I'm going to go in this one. Let UPS go there. Yeah, so this is where we have to give our credentials, our details, and in this scenario, we're empty. So we're just going to give them our GMR that shows that that they will know from that we're empty and we're carrying nothing. We will also verbally tell them. Right. Hello, sir. How are we doing? Yeah, I'm good, mate. You? Engine's off. Shut down. Normally we get these on our phone, but work prepared them in the office because I was coming in. Let's have a look. Hello, mate. How are we doing? I empty, yeah. Empty, mate. Thank you. Right, and away we go. Right, that's part 3 done. So this next bit is annoying, soul destroying for me. I always get pulled in. So this here, we are going to get told where to go. We're either going to get asked to go in for a scan here, which looks that way, or we'll ask to go through. Now normally I always get pulled in, but you see where that light is on the right there. I'll just move forward enough, just a touch. We want to go green, but we don't want to go green over there. I know what they're doing. They're going to put me in here now. I just know it. Come on, love. Looks like I'm going through as well, so I might be lucky. That's step 4. Nice and easy. Now am I being pulled in? No, we're going straight through, so that's good. Anyway, this is my problem with them. I'm not saying it's a right one or a wrong one. I'm on a green light. I'm going to assume DPD is going to be going. Oh, there you go, he's going. Right, French customs now. The old French bill. These are so rude sometimes. Not always, but 70% of the time they're rude. Let's have a look. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour. Merci. Au revoir. Right, so the problem with that is, I don't know if you saw, she was too busy on her fucking phone. I very, very nearly said, come on, love, off your phone, but I've had 2 fallouts with the police here, and it wasn't pretty on my side. Yeah, I got a bit held up because of that. So I need to be careful, but yeah, that's disgusting. Always on the phone, always on their fucking phones. So that's the next part there. Then we come here, we get given our lane. There we go, number 10. Thank you. So we go and queue in lane 10. You can see already there's 2 lorries there. He's a 3rd, so I'm going to be 4th. Lane 10, these lanes from 7 through to 16 means you're going to be on the back of the train. When I say on the back, you got the front and the back carriage. We're going to be on the back carriage. So you could say, sorry, it's very high. Yeah, you could say the steps on the side of the train are high, and we're quite low, so we need to raise ourselves so that we avoid any damage, scuffing the wheels, things like that. So that's where you load from the front, where you sit and wait like we've just done for the front of the train. That's how we know if you're going to be on the front or the rear. And yeah, this is where we load. So for the train, It can be a bit awkward getting on the train, not so much now, but I remember the first time I was doing this, and I won't lie, I was really, really nervous, really scared, really worried, and I thought to myself when I'd done it, what was I worried for? Why was I worried? There was absolutely nothing to be worried about, nothing whatsoever. Struggling, he's just going very, very slow. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to press my button while I'm stopped. Going to raise my my air suspension for the cab, so we tilt down, we tilt forward, we raise to the highest, and then away we go. So we're going to go on board this train. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a bit tight here because you've got the poles here in the middle, which really isn't ideal. We're on. Nice and easy. Easy as that. Easy as that. So we're now on the train. We've boarded the train. We drive as far up we need to go. So we're pretty much driving the whole length of the rear of the carriage. We're going to be parking spot number 4, and then pretty much we're going to get off. We then go on a bus, which I won't show because it's horrible, crowded. Alright guys, well here we are just getting off the train. What did that take? About 44 minutes total for all that, so it's not too bad. Just getting off the train now, and then we're gonna we don't need to go and do customs, so this is the last step of getting on a train from the UK, getting through to get to France. Welcome to France, everyone. We are now in France. Perfect. Lovely France. In what? Under an hour? When it goes well, it goes well. It's good. When it's not so good, it's not so good. As simple as that. There you go, guys. Welcome to France, in about an hour. That's not bad going, you know. Not bad going. We don't have to do customs, as I say, we're through that. So we've just got a nice drive to Leuven in Belgium. Probably take around 3 hours. Pick a trailer up and then head up to, I might stop at somewhere like Valenciennes tonight, somewhere like that. We'll see.